A natural, golden liquid that not only adds sweetness to your harvesting, it's important to prepare well. A beekeeper suit, helmet, and gloves are a must for safety. Using smoke helps calm the bees, making it easier to check the hives without upsetting them. The hive tool helps separate the frames, while the bee brush gently moves the bees without harming them. Step by step, the bees are carefully moved out of their hives, and their nectar-filled combs are placed into neat boxes. I have to give credit to this beekeeper who doesn't even wear protective gear smoothly thanks to these automated systems, making the process more efficient and reducing the need for manual labor. Eating a spoonful of honey before meals can help soothe your stomach and improve digestion, thanks to its enzymes and antioxidants. So why not enjoy some and stay healthy? Now, let's take a look inside a honey spoon factory, where the best honey is selected for its delicious taste. Instead of regular jars, the honey is molded into cute spoon shapes using plastic or silicone. Each spoon is carefully sealed with a foil wrap, making it easy to grab and use without making a mess. The honey spoons are then packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to your kitchen. Honey and jam make a perfect combination, especially when paired with biscuits. The sweetness of the jam adds a rich, caramel-like flavor that goes perfectly with the crunchy biscuits. For something savory, these sandwiches are being made quickly. Just add a slice of cheese, and you're done. Donut cakes are an all-time favorite treat, enjoyed for breakfast or as an